welcome to our day 2 in Paris. Now we are going to Eiffel Tower. We are going by a walk. It's 2.5 kilometers away from our stay, so we are going by walking.
Why we left late?
Yeah, because Susan decided to wake up very late and then she took a late shower, so we were late, and that's why it's 10. We were supposed to leave at 8:30.
Timed we left late because Shanu decided to give me a gel instead of conditioner. So I basically conditioned my hair
So
with
it's
a gel.
not my...
And then I've been dicing my hair for like 30-40 minutes. I'm just like, it's not drying. And then I realized it was gel and not
It's not
conditioner.
my fault. It was written natural conditioner with oils, and she gave me that. We finally saw Eiffel Tower, the first sight of Eiffel Tower. Okay, so there it is. We're almost going by walk everywhere in Paris because the roads are scenic and beautiful, and my parents love walking here. But if you're not a big fan of walking, you can also go by train, and it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to reach anywhere inside the city. We were supposed to go for a jog in the morning at 6 o'clock, but someone here didn't wake up in the morning.
Someone didn't let me sleep in the night.
That's her. That's not me, that's her. We've reached Eiffel Tower and there's a huge queue again because we're always late. Our final view of the Eiffel Tower. Susan! Eiffel Tower. So people are going to the first floor, second floor, and I guess top. It's all paid. I don't think we are going to.
Interested because it's a lot of stairs.
Yeah, there are a lot of stairs you can see here. Susan, can you believe we are at the Eiffel Tower? She's just so sad. That's why I asked her to return back to her country. We're standing in queue to get inside the Eiffel Tower gardens, but we're not going on the top. Oh, that's the lift that goes on top. Oh, what's that series? Emily in Paris. Oh no, it's Sharon in Paris. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Can I stay here forever?
No. You're an Indian with a passport belonging to India. You can't.
It's so huge. Look at it.
Do you remember seeing Emily in the series visiting Eiffel Tower? I don't think I did.
No, we didn't.
Did she only just drink wine then and dress pretty and probably just go around? That's all.
It's okay. This is us in Paris. Look at my parents. Come to a market. We've come to a market. Oh, damn.
Churros?
Churros. Let's have churros.
No churros?
No churros.
Or you're just warming it.
No churros. He said he requires 20 minutes.
I'll come back, it's fine.
Look at the sweets.
This is one?
My first play. We came out of the Eiffel Gardens and now we are going to the viewpoint Hakim. But we are lost again. We went everywhere other than the viewpoint. Only Susan has the map, so she is our navigation for this entire trip.
But apparently Shanu wants to take an Eastern because she doesn't trust me anymore.
Yeah. Finally, we reached the Hakim viewpoint and that's the Eiffel Tower. Okay, mom's extremely scared of water. She thinks she's going to fall. Ma potta hello. Tada. I'm the jacket holder of this group. Let us smile. Finally, yeah. I think Eiffel Tower is beautiful when it's far away. Close by, it's just gods.
And also it has me now.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, please don't fall into the river now. You'll just keep flowing.
It's so windy and so nice.
Let's go.
Damn. Yeah, I got a monument of that. 350.
pro tip, if you want to visit Europe, Paris, Switzerland, or all these countries, do come in like April, May, because it's summertime and it's also windy in April. It's not very cold, but you can stay from morning 10 o'clock to evening 9 o'clock and visit all the places, and it's very fun because everyone comes out and they have drinks.
And the best part about visiting Europe in April is it's not crowded. On ChatGPT it said that the spot would be so crowded, but when we went there were barely anybody.
We clicked amazing pictures near Hakim Viewpoint, and now after a very very long walk we are going back home to get some rest. And you can have this card, it's easier, we loaded for the entire day, so it's unlimited travel in Paris. Comment ça va, Suzanne? Ça va bien.
What's Prespet?
Trespet? What's Trespet? Désolé, sorry. Bonvit is good night. Bonsoir is good evening. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. That's all I know. But I do remember some of my French now. Okay. There are so many exits here. You take one wrong exit and you end up completely in a different part of Paris. Are we ever going to get out, Susan? We have taken at least 10 exits by now and we cannot see the light. Susan wanted to go to Paris McDonald's because she's heard that even in McDonald's you get sweets here. So she's run to McDonald's and my parents were very tired. So they're sitting right there. So cute.
Wrong information discovered. Let's go. That the McDonald's in Paris have macarons and things like that, and it's not just burgers.
Who told you that?
I saw it on a vlog. I think it's just this outlet that only has burgers. Anyway, I was just there. Nothing new. It's all burgers. Only burgers.
I can only relate to Emily in Paris because everyone is sitting out and eating food and they all are looking outside and eating. Which is so cool. We came back home to get some quick rest. We already had some food outside, but the Indian in me is craving some Indian food. So I made Maggi for myself and my mom is going to eat some parota.
Shanu suddenly become very religious in
Paris. It's not Paris, it's Paris.
Shanu's just out of options and doesn't have any silver options. Just won a random silver chain.
Yeah, because I didn't get any silver chains.
Hopefully you bring good luck to Paris and to us.
I will. Do this then, eh?
Dada's approval. So do this.
Thank you. Go on. Are you ready for part 2? Yes. Part 2. Yes. We are going to the Montmartre viewpoint and we are going by train because it's around 3 kilometers from here.
This is what you do when cherry blossoms don't fall themselves. And this is why you need somebody tall in your family.
We got on the train but it was the wrong direction, so now we have to change our train and go in the opposite direction. Susan kept saying we are going to Montmartre and the French guy was so confused, like where? And then she showed the place, she's like, MoMA! It's called MoMA.
For some reason I was just really scared that it would take my phone and go away because the metro doors just opened at the same time. And I was like, no, I have so many things on the phone now.
We would literally be on the streets if she loses her phone.
Everything's on my phone, oh my god.
Steps in Paris are never ending. This is why I guess people in Europe are all so fit. They're still going on. मजा है ना? कल वाले तो Look at these stairs. They're only going in circles. Hi, Paula. Last. After climbing thousands of stairs. Oh, my dad was like, Nella kadle kale karna satanga. Susan is like, it's caramel. We are sending our parents on the train and cable car, and we are going on the stairs. Excited?
Though we have a ticket.
Yeah, we have the ticket, but
This is
just trying to
commitment to fitness.
yeah, just trying to burn off all the sugar that we had in the 2 days. Last 30 steps maybe. We made it to the top, and it has beautiful sunset. Mami, waiting pura zala hai?
I'm easily
What else can? Susan. Taken ice cream. I took strawberry. She's taken coffee.
always. Coffee, always.
Dad and mom, they have taken cookie and cream.
So, but I'm very sure about it.
So cute. Remember the scene in Emily in Paris where she comes running up the stairs and she takes a picture and posts on Instagram? It's this. Look at this basilica. Look at the interiors. The minute I walked in, it was breathtaking. You will not know the impact of this until you see this for real, because it's such a huge dome. And this video is clearly not justifying. We have so many locks here. Susan, what are these called? Suman was here just 2 weeks back, and even they have their lock S+A. Here we can't find them, obviously. S+A. Oh, this is A+S. No, but what is 21? Hundreds of people sitting and looking at the view. The breathtaking sunset. Look at this place. This entire building is filled with pink flowers. Why do they look like Easter eggs? Oh, they attached. Screw girl. You can't take them.
Obviously. आता तुझे तली पूरा खाना था.
This cafe, La Maison Rose, is very famous here. Not sure why. It's a pink cafe though. We are heading down to the Wall of Love.
There's a vineyard here.
We don't know the exact route to Wall of Love, so we are watching the YouTube video.
There's a vineyard. Mama is an absolute essential on your
Bucket
itinerary.
list?
It's
Yeah.
absolutely beautiful. Like,
Suzanne, look at that. I'm in love with this city. This is the Wall of Love. And I found it in Konkani. Found it in English. Where is it in Kannada? Oh, found it. ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಲಾಗತ್ತಾ हम तुमसे प्यार करत है.
Konasu.
This is in Konkani.
Konasu.
I love you, Susan.
I wish I could say the same, but
I know you love me. It's 7:30 and we have a boat cruise which closes at 11 o'clock. So we have to reach there. But now Susan is running because she wants ice cream. We finally found it. Yay! Thank you, merci beaucoup. This is our second ice cream of the day. I've taken Twix and she's taken banana sorbet, and parents are still waiting at the train station, so now we got to run back. We are so lucky. As soon as we got out, they locked the gates. It's 7:30 and I think that's why they locked the gates at 7. We reached the train station. We got off at the Concorde train station and now we have to take another bus to go to the Eiffel Tower. From there we'll get on the boat. We got out of the train station and look at this beauty. This is beautiful. Not sure what building this is, but it's massive. We have arrived at our bus stop and our bus is 42. Waiting for the bus to come. This lane is filled with all branded stuff. We reached the Eiffel Tower almost. Have you watched that Queen movie when she came to Paris? Yeah, the honeymoon of when she came for honeymoon, she came alone in the Queen movie and she didn't know what Eiffel Tower was. So everywhere she was going, the Eiffel Tower used to follow her and she used to run away from the Eiffel Tower. This is just like that. There, right there. Paris is very romantic in the night with all these lights. I just want to pause this moment. That's it. This is our stop to get into the river cruise. This is the queue and I think it's longer than 2 kilometers to get in. Takes 599 passengers. Eiffel Tower is going to twinkle exactly at 9 o'clock and it's 8:59 now. It finally twinkled. Oh my god, so beautiful. Oh my god. Twinkle for the next 5 minutes. This was the first bridge in Paris. Eiffel Tower twinkles on polele. Yada polele. Subida lene.
I'll go back again only to see that. I don't know.
Susan, look at this. Susan. This is so cool. Everyone's just dancing. How do we go there? We want to get there. Oh my god. I'm going to sit under the Eiffel Tower and take it all in. But see you all tomorrow. Bye bye.